Hello. I'll be showing you how to use a stubby wrench, non-ratcheting. First thing you want to do is measure it out. I already know what it is, so I'll just demonstrate it. What you want to do is find your right one. See, this one needs 10. So left. So with this one, with the threads, it's tying it. But if I twist it around, that. Twist it around. Get enough leverage. Make sure you get enough leverage. And up. That untines it. So you want to up. Untines it. You want to follow the thread. Now, go back around. Now you want to make sure you get enough leverage and just, tighten it. Now, when you're tying it with non-ratcheting, you have to keep moving it. Removing it. Now, I can also demonstrate how to use the ratcheting one. For that, really is self-explanatory. Using a ratcheting one, you just gotta go back and forth, make sure you get it the right size, and all that. So yeah, that's about it for. Now when you take it off, loosen it. But really, when you're looking at, those kind of things, you want to make sure you have the right angle. So, because if you don't, you could be in more trouble and end up looking like terrible. So yeah, that's about it with using non-ratcheting things. When you're using non-ratcheting, you always want to look at, okay, so you want to look at, what's it look like? So this is my highest size I have, which is 16, no actually 19. Base I have is a 19, and smallest I have a 10. When you're looking at these kind of sets, like, ratchets, you're looking at ratchets and wrenches and all that, sockets, your nut drivers, always do not buy one that skips sizes. See these right here, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now this right here is a perfect set. Now I'm going to show you a perfect set of sockets, a non-perfect set. See how it goes from 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13, 14. See, it's a perfect set with sockets. This is a quarter. Now I got my hat, I got my deep. Now these right here, see, this right here. Now this is an awesome 19. See right here, if you can see it. Right here's 19, 21. I know this is a set, it came as is, but when you're looking at sets like these that have just sockets, do not buy my skip sizes. You might need that 20. You might need that 23. You never know. But never buy a set of skip sizes. When you're buying a set, always look for the smallest you can possibly get to the biggest you possibly can get. Now sometimes you might have to spend a little bit more, sometimes you might buy a couple, but really, you want to start at least at 10, 8 to 10-ish, all the way to like 20-ish. Depends on what you really are doing. Like for instance, 10 millimeter is literally your most common thing. Yes, I know I haven't used it yet. Never will, because I keep track of everything. I don't let my parents use and stuff. But yeah. Basically, yeah. I love this thing. I love this thing. Now these right here, if you see these, you go to my pump. I haven't really used it yet. But yeah, you always want to make sure something doesn't skip sizes. If it skips sizes, then chances are you might go run to the store and get another one, which will cost you more money in the long run. So yeah, but when you're looking at those side of things, you want to not skip sizes, because it can really hurt you in the end. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice. Thank you guys, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.